Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fashionista Tutorials. Today I'm here with one of the best remedy for smooth, shiny and silky hairs. I hope you like this remedy. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. So guys, for this remedy I'm going to use 3 ingredients. First, banana, second, raw milk, and third, one of the main ingredient is honey. So guys, let's start it. For this I'm going to use a Ziploc bag. You can use any plastic bag, and I'm going to pour 2 bananas in it, cut them into half, as you can see. So when you pour the bananas in the plastic bag, lock the bag and mash the bananas very well. If you want smooth consistency, please mash the bananas very well, as you can see I do. So guys, I'm going to use a bowl and pour all the banana mixture in it. As you can see, now I'm going to add raw milk and honey in it. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of raw milk. You can use boiled milk, no matter. So my third ingredient is honey, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of honey in my mixture. Now I'm going to use a fork to mash the bananas very well. Mix this mixture. So guys, if you have long hairs, you can use 3 to 4 bananas. If you have small hairs, you can use 2 bananas, depend on your hair length. Now it's ready to apply on my hairs. Let's go. So guys, you can see my hairs are too much split, damaged. So separate the hairs into 2 sections, as you can see. Now I'm going to apply this banana mixture on my hairs. I again repeat it, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that all my contents can reach you first. So guys, you can see I applied all the banana mixture on my hairs. Wait for 30 minutes and wash your hairs. And after 30 minutes I wash my hairs and you can see the results. Oh my god, my hairs are too much smooth, shiny and silky, as you can see in the video. Okay guys, if your bananas not leave your hairs, don't worry. When you blow dry your hairs, your banana leave your hairs easily. So guys, please try this remedy at home and tell me in the comment box, do you like my remedy? So guys, you can see there is no split ends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.